Are they all going in now? Yeah, they're all going in now. Look, Iz, take your glasses off then now so you can see.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to ZSL London Zoo. Welcome to our first penguin feed of the day. My name's Ben. Whilst Kellyanne, our keeper, is giving them their lunch, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the penguins that we have living here. Basically looking at sort of three different things to do with penguins. So essentially the different kinds of penguins that there are, the kind of things that separate them out from the flying birds, the kind of typical birds that you see around the place. And then also we'll be looking at penguins in the wild, the kind of things that are threatening them, and the sort of things that can be done to actually protect this group of birds in the future, because a lot of them are running into quite a lot of serious trouble out in the wild. So, as I say, whilst they're tucking into a little bit of lunchtime fish, let me start by just introducing the two species that we have living in here. As you probably spotted, there's actually not just one but two different species actually living in the pool together. So most of them, in fact all but one at the moment, are the black-footed penguins. So these guys that you can see here, particularly recognisable not only by their black feet, which is sort of self-evident, but this sort of broad stripe of black feathers that goes right sort of across their chest and kind of upside down sort of horseshoe shape. They have another name. They're also known as jackass penguins. That's because of the noise they make. It sounds a little bit like a donkey braying. So they're called jackass penguins, black-footed penguins, but they're also known as African penguins. This is the bit that sometimes surprises people, because we tend to associate penguins with very snowy places, very cold places, Antarctica in particular, which is absolutely correct. Lots of penguins do live down there, but really they're also spread all around the southern hemisphere. So in South Africa and Namibia is where you find these guys. There are also penguins found in Australia, in New Zealand, all the way